Veo rights the world.
You cannot escape destiny, Merlin.
Arthur!
Okay, so here's how to create videos using Veo AI. Step 1, search on Veo AI, Veo3. Search Veo3 on Google Veo3. Okay, so search and you see something like this. Click on this first one. So let's click on this. So you click on try Veo. Click here. Alright, so I'm already registered. Okay, if you click on upgrade. Click on upgrade. So select your account. So I'll switch my account now. So let me just choose one. Alright, so I've enrolled for the free trial plan, which is ₦0. But since I've enrolled before, that is why it is showing I should pay 28,000 to continue. So in your own case, you have 3 options. One with $0 for the first month. So you click on that, input your card details, and you'll be on the pro plan. Alright, so but the trick is you have to cancel before the trial ends. Cancel before 30 days, else you'll be charged. So this is how to get Veo3. Then now let's go and make our video. You can see it, then click on chat with Gemini. Use Gemini. Okay, so once you've registered for the free trial plan, you'll be on pro. You can see now my account is on pro here. So you log into gemini.google.com. So in this place here, you just put your prompts. I'll show you the prompt I use right now. So this is the prompt I used. You can see, create a trailing 8-second trailer for Merlin season 6. So you can copy this if you like, or you can ask ChatGPT to give you a very good prompt. Okay, so this is my prompts that I used. Alright, so after pasting it, it gave me this. So let me play it for you.
But what's a chip?
Okay, anyways, so this is for Gemini. So we can also use Google Flow to create video. Okay, how do we create this? So the first thing is to click on this icon here, this video. So you put your text prompts here. Let's say here's the prompts. Let me copy this. Okay, so this is what I gave to it, and I put my prompt here, and I click on video. Once you click on video, it's going to generate a video. To take like 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so another way to do this, and when you are done, you can also download it. To download is to simply click on this place, download. Then second method is to use flow.ai. So just type Flow, or I use the Flow AI. So you type Google Flow AI, Google Flow AI. So that's Google Labs. Click on it. Okay, so you can see, click on Create with Flow. So these are some things I've done so far. Let me show you this. So you click on New Project to get to the where I was. New projects. Alright, so now if you want to create a new project, there are settings you have to make in this place now. Just click text to video if you want to convert text to video. If you want it to be okay, this one is multiple images. You can see available to ultra subscribers. Then this second one, frames to video, images to video. So in this case, we'll be using text to video. So I'll click on display settings. Then I'll choose, this one is how many output do you want per prompts? I want one. Then fast, you can choose the highest. Choose the highest. You can see highest quality experimental audio. So you click on this. Alright, so now you put your prompts that you have. Then you click on send. Then it will generate a video for you. So let me give you the prompts I use for this particular. Let me play it for you.
The words. Veo writes the world.
So look at the prompts I gave to it. Let me show you. That's a prompts. Montage of AI generated video clips. A dragon flies over the new. Hope you can see here. Okay, let me show you on that one.
Now you hold the power to create cinematic worlds with just a prompt.
What is the prompt?
Now you hold the power to create cinematic worlds with just a prompt.
So let me show you from the beginning. All the things I've done. Go down. So when you have to, when you log in to this place, your account will be on Pro, right? And will give you credits. Click on here. You see right now I have 80 AI credits. You'll be giving 1000 credits, and per video will be 100 credits. So use it wisely. Okay, so this is the first thing I did. So say these are the steps for this video.
There's a tool the world doesn't know about. A portal to limitless creation.
Okay, so this is the prompt I use. You can see a young creator sits in a dark room. Okay, so let me just play everything for you. So always make sure you cancel before you try and sell before 30 days.
Step 1. Go to the Google Veo site.
This is the prompt. Okay, let me just play the rest for you.
Step 2. Sign in using your Google account.
So that's step 2, to sign in using your Google account.
Step 2. Sign in using your Google account.
So let's go to step 3.
Request access to unlock early entry into the future of video creation.
So you select a plan, which is a free trial plan, right, for 30 days. So let's see the next one now.
when your invite arrives.
So your account will be turned to pro once it will show subscribed.
Step 3. Enter your card to activate your free trial.
So for your free trial to be activated, you need to put your card details. Then after you put it, you can cancel immediately so that you won't be charged. That is how to get it for free. Okay. So these are videos are generated using Veo AI. I believe you love this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos like this. Okay, so let me come again. For it not to be charged,